Hello viewers, this video will show you how to get the Teke airdrop seamlessly. As you can see, the Teke airdrop rewards you with 10,000 Teke, which is equivalent to $100, and each of the referrals has 2,500 Teke to your wallet, which is equivalent to $25. That's what they are telling us, and the distribution is within 48 hours. So now let's get to how you can participate in the airdrop. Once you have the link, you click the link, it will take you to the bot. So you click start. When you click start, it will automatically open the options, the things you need to do. For the first thing is you have to join the group. Right now the group 1 and group 2 are all filled up. So you join the group 3, which is when you join the group 3, you now type take 10,000x as you have seen here and send. Once you are done with that, you go back. You can see others have typed. Go back, click on the channel Tech News, join it. When you click on Tech News, it will open. You join. I have already joined it. So once you are done, you go back, click on their sponsor and join. I've already joined that. So once you are done with that, you now click on check at this button. Click on check. When you click on check, it will open another thing. You click on Twitter. Ensure that if you are in Nigeria, ensure that you have your VPN on and your Twitter account is not banned or suspended. So when you click on follow Twitter, it will take you to Twitter. Their first post, when it opens the Twitter, you like the post they have made, follow them on Twitter. It will open them automatically. When you have followed them, you like the post they have made, retweet it. There is a particular pinned tweet they have opened. When you retweet it, you comment. You are going to retweet quote post. Comment and tag your friends, some of your friends. Maybe you can tag like 3-4 people. After tagging, you go down and you'll see the second post. Like and retweet that second post. Then go to the first post. Copy the retweet post you made. Copy the link of that retweet post you made. Come here and put at where you have paste. I think I already did that at the top. So I just want to copy it straight forward. This is the post. So you just copy it. Imagine, just consider I had copied it already. I come down here and paste. But you are going to copy it from your Twitter handle. Like this, paste. I have copied it. When you paste, you click send. It will now say enter your BEP20 wallet. This is your smart chain wallet. I had already entered mine. As you can see here, this is it. So when you enter like that, you are done. It's as simple as that. Then you can join, you can vote. There's another thing you need to do. You need to vote them on Coin Sniper. You can just click Coin Sniper. It will open the page. You vote Teke token. It's just one of their ways of trying to promote their token. You know, it's a new project, but the project has good fundamentals, which is why we would encourage you to have it. You can see the thing I'm doing here. So you just accept and understand. Then go down, it's been listed. Go down, look for a way to vote it. Let's see. Vote. So this is the coin. You have to log in to vote, so you just register and vote. I have already done that. When you are done, you go back to your Telegram. Remember, you have not closed your Telegram. So once you've done that, that would be all. Insert your smart chain address here. You'll be rewarded with 10,000 Teke, as you can see, and also your referral address, which is the referral link, which you can now use to get your referrals. So ordinarily, what you need to do, let me cancel it. Once you are done with that, you can always, I'm trying to cancel it. You can always, you can always withdraw your airdrop. So that is all for now, my friends. I hope this video helps you to get the token, the airdrop. Thank you.